Hello guys, welcome to another episode of our Sylius series. So in this episode I'd like to go over the Sylius Grid bundle. So for our product badge plugin we will need a new menu item. I will put it in this zone under configuration. Maybe let's say under shipping categories, maybe. Let's put it just here under shipping categories. And it should be a simple CRUD. Let me take another examples. So it should be a simple CRUD menu. So we will be able to create and update our product badges, and we will be able to search our product badges. So and we will be able, of course, to delete them also. Let's keep it simple, guys. So create, update, delete. We won't have a show option, but I think that's enough. We can, like, if you guys want, like, you can guys like keep extending it to custom functions and custom actions and whatever you want. So I'll just show you the basics and how it's done for these actions, and only the sky is the limit. So let's dive into it, guys. So let's this is very important, guys. You must pay attention. So let's go to our plugin. So this is our plugin. First we need to create the Sylius Grid. So what I'm gonna do is, one second, guys. I will do not there, under config. Let's do maybe grids. So let's have a folder called grids, and I will put product badge.yaml, for example. So and I will go to my config.yaml and I will import it. So guys, I will import it, guys. So it is grids. So perfect, guys. So we need to create this configuration, of course. So guys, if you're really not familiar with Sylius grids, there is a very nice documentation. Let me go to it. So here, for example, this documentation, this small tutorial, creating your first grid. So just for a custom entity, as you can see. As you can see, you can also use the maker bundle to create the grids, so whatever you want, or you can just use a YAML definition. So guys, I will go step by step. As you can see, guys, here he's just generating the root directly, as you can see, from the resource. That's not what we're gonna do, guys. We will keep them separate, and you can do many things, guys, like define filters, as you can see here. This is like let's go here. This is like this, like these filters. So you will be defining them under filters. Let's keep diving, guys. So you will define, of course, the entity, the resource for it, and the repository. So you can, of course, use a custom repository, or I think Sylius will use the default repository, and that's I think the create list query builder function. So this is a custom, sorry guys, I meant the custom method of the repository, because Sylius already knows our repository. When we just give the class, it can like get all the metadata, and we already get the repository, so that we have already configured that. So let's go back into our code. So guys, let's go to the source. Exactly. So yeah, here we need to create our repository. So as you can see now, in this product batch, I have yeah, exactly. So I have a model and interface. I have a model and interface. I have commented out this repository because they are not yet implemented. They were not needed for the last episodes. So let's implement both repositories. So guys, this is yeah, pretty straightforward. So let's go. So under a repository, we will create this class. So product batch.php, and I will of course create a product batch repository interface.php. Perfect, guys. I will go back here, and we also need a product batch translation.php, and also a product batch repository interface.php. So guys, I've already implemented those, so I will do sample copy paste. 1 second, guys, and I'll go over each thing that I've implemented. So guys, perfect. So as you can see, guys, in the product batch repository interface, we will extend the repository interface. This is the standard functions methods from Sylius. As you can see, like paginator, like add, remove, things like that, they are just predefined when we extend our entity repository, so they will be already included. So guys, as you can see, sorry guys, I've copied that in the wrong. This should be in the interface. Perfect. Here it should be here. Perfect. So as you can see, the create list query builder, this one will create our grid list. So we need it. I think this is the standard function when we don't define our method. So if you guys don't define, let me go to back to the documentation. Like if we don't define this method, it will automatically use the create list query builder. So it will use this one. So perfect, guys. So we've defined our product batch repository. Let's go to the product batch repository interface. So yeah, guys, here like we don't need to define anything. So yeah, we don't need any custom. We are not building any custom things with this repository. This is a standard repository that extends the repository interface, and that's it, guys. So that's all we need for now. So guys, let's keep going. Let's go to the implementation. So I will do copy, paste. So perfect, guys. So as you can see, I'm implementing my create list query builder. So guys, as you can see in the construct in this entity repository, yeah, it is simply injecting the entity manager and the class. So this will all be handled from Sylius. So as you can see, I need also the association hydrator, so that I will be getting my translations. So I won't be, for example, accessing them when, let's say I'm in Tweak template. I won't be accessing them when I do like I don't know, like get translations in the Twig template, so they will already be available, so I won't be doing any queries. So this is the hydration, so translation. That's why in the find all I've included the translations. Yeah, guys, this is very interesting way from Sylius, that this improved performance, guys. We will be saving on queries. So guys, and in the create list query builder, I will just create a query builder and I will join my translations, so my product batch translation tables. So I will be joining and where local local set parameter local. So that's it, guys. This is the request local, and I will be getting my as you can see my data. So perfect, guys. So we're almost done with the repository. So everything, so here this is missing. This is like would be standard, so don't worry about it. We will be doing something like this, and that's it. So perfect, guys. So yeah, as you can see, we won't be really using it, guys. So yeah, but it is good practice to define the repositories for it. So let's go to our product batch resource. So this is important, guys. So I will be doing this and this. So guys, let's do something like this. I'd like to check what other options. So as you can see, I'm in the vendor files, in the Sylius vendor bundle files. So for the Sylius resource configuration, as you can see here, he is asking for a model interface. We can also give a controller, a repository. We've already done that. So interface, model, repository. You can also give a factory class or use the default one. I'm okay with default one. As you can see, the controller also, we can also give like customized a resource controller, but I will be using the default one. And in the form, we can also use like a customized form or the default resource type. So, but I will be actually define our form and giving it to the root. So let's leave it empty for now in the product batch. So this looks perfect, guys. This is all we need for now. So next step, I will go and define my form. So my form is actually for creating and updating, that I will be given to my root. So 1 second, guys. So guys, so let's go to my source. I will create a folder form. So this is to find a form types and type. No, form can exactly type and admin. So I will put it under admin. So because this form will be used in the admin panel in the grids. So guys, now let's look at how Sylius handles translatable entities forms. So let's take a look at our site. So for example, what I want to look at is, for example, in products, or let's say product options or something. As you can see, guys, takes a little bit of time because the cache was cleared. So I'd like to go maybe to options, and when I do create, so this is what I have, guys. When I do create, I have translation, and yeah, so I will take a look at how Sylius does that, so we can copy them. So let's go to, for example, product option type. This looks cool. This looks in the admin bundle. Looks good. So guys, product option type. Let's look in the. This is the values. This is the collection type. This is that. This is this here. So guys, let's go back. We don't need that. I want to see only how translations are handled. So perfect, guys. So as you can see, translations are handled with the result translation type and the product option translation type. So for us, we will be using the result translation type, and as entry type, we will be defining the product batch translation type. Perfect. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it like that. So let's go back to my admin. I will create a new type, product batch type .php, and I will create another type, product batch translation type .php. And this looks already perfect. So guys, let's copy paste them and let's take a look, guys. So perfect, guys. Perfect. So let's go. Let's do something like this. Then let's go here and so guys, I've already implemented them. So I will go step by step of what I've done. So guys, so this is the product batch type. So we will be configuring this form type service. So what we need is a data class. This will be our entity, the product batch entity. The CSS classes, this is very important. So I will be injecting them inside my form type, so they will be shown as choices, as you can see, guys. Yeah, here I'm doing array combine so that the values are like the labels, so I don't need to differentiate between them. So guys, and the validation groups, this is very important, guys, so that my fields are validated. So let's keep going. So I need a CSS class. This is as I've said, guys, we've kept this very simple. So I need CSS class, that's a choice type. Perfect. And I need translations. This is my product batch translation. So this is a collection, guys, and I'm using this collection. So this resource translation type collection, thanks to Sylius, everything will look already good. So they will take my enabled local, so my enabled languages, and based on this enabled languages, they will create my name field. So this is very nice from Sylius. So as entry type, I will need my product batch translation type, and that's actually the name, guys. So I will need only the name. This is my translated. So I will do this. Perfect. So guys, so let's see. So we don't have this translation, so we need to translate it. I will go here and create a new translation. Yeah, let's do just English for now. Messages.n.yaml, and we can, of course, guys, do something. Yeah, simple, like let's see, like this. Form options. So guys, label, perfect guys. I can replace this. So perfect guys, everything looks good. So now we have to configure our form time service. This is important. So as I've said, we need the data class and the CSS classes. So I want to do something first. So my idea is to make a configuration available and to expose to make it possible for the user to add custom CSS classes. So let's create a custom configuration. This will be here, guys. As you can see, we have our custom configuration. This will look simply like this. So I will copy paste it. This will look simply like this. So CSS classes, so I will have CSS classes array with empty default value and as info list of CSS available for product badges. So perfect, guys. So this is all I need. So I will go here in my config and I will create a new file. Let's call it dev product badge. Let's see. Let's add Sylius, maybe. Sylius product badge YAML. So I will go here and do something like this. So as you can see, guys, this is the Bootstrap 5 classes. As you can, BG primary, secondary, 6S, danger, warning, info, light, dark. So this is, guys, just the class that would be later used. So the user, so the person that installs my plugin can extend them. So perfect, guys. So let's go here and create a new file. Now first, guys, let's include this. I will go here and include I will include my configuration. So perfect, guys. Let's go to my let's see, guys. So my services. Let's create a new file. Exactly. Let's call it forms.xml. So guys, let's copy this. Let's delete this. Let's delete it, and let's put our services here. So I will start with, so guys, I will remove this and do services forms XML. So guys, let's take a look. So forms XML, this looks very nice, guys. So here, so this is important, guys. So here I will be configuring my form. So I have now two forms, and that's the product badge form type and the product badge translation type. So I'd like to do something first, guys. 1 second. I'd like to, so now I'm on my host machine. So I'm my host on my Sylius host. I'm not inside the plugin, so I'm now on my Sylius host. So I will do tdev php bin console debug, let's say container minus parameters, and I will do something like this. Grep, let's say my vendor. So what have I done wrong? Okay, yeah, okay. So we have, as we can see, we have an error here, and I think this is because of our configuration. So I've forgotten to include it, so we must include, of course, here, guys. So this must be included. I've forgotten about it, so I must include this configuration. So guys, I've totally forgot about it. So but this is very simple, because so guys, I'll be creating my as you can see, my configuration file, just an instant, and do process configuration. So I will process this configuration, then I will set the parameter so I can use it in my form type. So that's it, guys. It doesn't get simpler than this. So guys, if you have any question, like if you don't understand like some things at some point, like you can like direct message me, or like write in the comments. I will be happy to answer you guys. So perfect. Let's go here. Let's do this again. Or what okay, yeah. So guys, let's go back to my configuration. This. So let's make sure that everything looks okay. Okay, let's see if that works now. So no, so that's okay. There is no extension. This is funny. Let's, because I've already loaded my configuration. Okay, let's do it then. Let's take a closer look, guys. So I'm processing the configuration here. Yeah, this is correct. My config .yaml, let's see. I'm adding it correctly. This is also correct. This looks correct, but it just doesn't find the configuration. Okay. So yeah, let's maybe trying. Maybe I may delete the caches. Maybe it has something to do with that. Okay, so even the cache is not working, so it doesn't. Maybe I can find it. Okay. It is not finding it correctly. It is somehow not finding it. Okay. So let's take a closer look. So, and this is funny, guys. Maybe I may do something like this. 1 second, guys. So I will comment this out. I will go back here and clear my caches. Let's clear the caches and see if that works. Perfect. Let's go re-include this and see if that works. 1 second, guys. So where is it? Here. Let's see if no, it is still finding an error. So guys, I'll take a look at it closely and then we'll continue. So I'll be right back, guys. Hello guys, welcome again. So I found the error. So it was actually because of a typo, and I'll show you guys. So let's go to my product batch plugin, and it was actually because I've had this without Sylius defined, and this class, so this extension wasn't loaded at all. And I've debugged that. I've looked inside the Sylius plugin trait, and I've looked in this get container extension class, and I've debugged this, and yeah, it took me like 30 minutes, guys. So yeah, but this small typo, this small thing can take some time, but yeah, let's keep moving forward. So our parameter should be loaded from the configuration. So this is the configuration. I've done a quick check with my debug container, and as you can see here, we can also see all these parameters that they are simply defined from Sylius, because I've registered my entity as a Sylius resource, so we get all these parameters. So but this is my CSS classes parameter for the form. So let's keep going. So we've created our forms. Now we want to wire them. So let's go step by step. Let's wire them up. So I've created a forms.xml. So in this forms.xml, I will be adding my forms services. So I will add this too. I will change the namespaces. Perfect, guys. So I've given them the group. This is the validation group Sylius. You can give any validation group. So we'll be creating our validations soon, so that these fields are validated. Perfect, guys. Let me take a look, check if these parameters exist. Let's go to our host. So this should be correct. Let me copy paste it here to make sure that, yeah, it looks correct. This is also correct. Let's go here and copy paste this one to make sure it is correct. So as you can see, guys, this is my models, my entities. As you can see, I've already configured them in the resource configuration. So let's keep going. So perfect, guys, perfect. Now everything we should be set up for the Sylius Grid, so we can start creating our grid configuration. So what I'm gonna do, guys, admin routing. So we will also be define our grid routes. So this is simple, guys. So guys, this is all documented. I will do a copy paste from my configuration, and I'll go about each step and try to explain them. So guys, let me copy it. So I will change this. So guys, as you can see, so let's go step by step. So I'm configuring a new grid called Sylius admin product patch. Yeah, this is just a doctrine, the driver configuration. So I'm using doctrine. This is the options. I'm doing this for this resource. So this is my product patch entity, and I'm setting the create list query builder as my method to get the to list. This is the query function that will list my product patches. I'm giving it argument the current local. So I'm doing sorting after ID. So I'm sorting after ID, ascending. This is the fields that I will show on my table. So I'm showing the ID. I'm saying type twig. When I say type twig, this will just put it inside the template. This also name type twig. This will put it inside the template. I'm using, as you can see here, I'm using this Sylius admin shared fields. So this is from Sylius, and I will be using a custom grid field called CSS class. So I need to create it, guys. So I will remove this. I will go and create this under my templates. So under my templates, I will do, okay, I already have admin. I will do grid field. So under admin, I will do grid field, and I will do CSS class .html.twig. So guys, this is very simple, guys. This is really simple template for the header. So this shouldn't be, this should be just something like this. Like this is really, guys, the header. So perfect. Let's keep going. I'm given a class with 25, so doesn't matter, guys. You can give it also 75, doesn't matter. So let's keep going. Filters, search, type string. So I'm setting my filters now. I'm setting a filter named search, and I'm setting the form options contains, and it will look inside this CSS class transition.name. So it will search the CSS class and the name. So because my name is stored inside my translations. So, and for the actions, I will do create. And so we have the main actions. So this one, they will be shown on top of the grid. We have the item action, so they will be shown per row, like these small icons, for example. As you can say, update and delete. And there is also the bulk action, so I can select multiple rows and delete them. So guys, so as you can see, this is pretty simple, straightforward, guys. If you want to like really learn more about it, you can, of course, guys, either search the vendor files or like really study the documentation. Or if you really like have special case, you can write me in the comment, and I'd love to help you guys. So So we've created our grid. Now we will need to define our routes. So I'll go under admin routing. I will copy my route. So I'll do something like this. So guys, so here I'm naming the route. I'm naming this route collection, so Sylius admin product batch. I'm setting it for type resource. This alias is actually the resource name, so we take it from here. This is actually this one, so this is actually this one. This is also documented, guys. I'm saying this is section admin, permission true, so you need permission for this. This is the templates, guys. We can also override them. I'm saying like create the edit update, so the update, delete and create route except the show, as you can see. And I'm saying after the action redirect to an index, so after update or the create or anything, so redirect to index. So guys, let's keep moving. So as you can see here, I'm specifying my form type. This is the product batch type. So, and I'm setting it type Sylius resource. It's perfect. So Sylius will create the routes for me. So that's all we need, guys. We need to do something else. I will be importing my routes here. I will remove this. We don't need it. Yeah. I will remove this and I will do something like this. So as you can see, we can do resource. We will be importing our route from the admin routing, and this is important, guys. I will do the prefix admin so that all my routes get the prefix admin. Perfect. So let's check if our routes are registered, but we have to do something first. So I will be importing the routes here on my host. Let's go to config and then routes. So 1 second, guys. Config and then routes, and then I would just need to import this. So as you can see, this will import my routes. Now let's do a small test to see if everything is working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna debug the router, and of course I'm gonna grab my vendor. Let's see if that works, guys. So here it says this resource does not exist. Let's debug this, guys. Let's go back to where my resources. Let's see where are my routes. Yeah, here. So let me go to my grid. This looks nice. Okay, guys, let's debug this further. So yeah, 1 second, guys. So so guys, let's take a look at it. So there is probably a problem with how my resources are defined. So this must be already included. My config, resources, product, badge, camel. Yeah. So okay. Let's see if we it's funny guys because this is already registered, because as we've seen these classes have been already registered. So the question is, why is my alias wrong? Product badge plugin. So let's keep checking, guys. So this looks actually good. Yeah, today we're encountering a lot of problems, guys. So let's have some patience. This is really funny. Let's clear the cache. Maybe it will be loaded. Make sure it isn't. So guys, I'll check it out and I will be back. So hello guys, welcome again. So after debugging this for an hour, the problem was in my 1 second guys, I was just debugging. So the problem was in my alias. I had it like this with this 2 dots, as you can see, which caused the whole problem, guys. So yeah, it took me an hour to figure that out. I've started debugging inside the resource bundle, and yeah, I've seen that the alias that was provided was with the 2 dots, but yeah, now it should be working. So let's go, guys. Let's go back here, and we can see our roots are registered. So the index, the create, the update, the bulk delete, and the delete. Perfect, guys. As you can see with the correct prefix, everything looks perfect, guys. So now there is one more thing to do, actually 2 more things. So the first thing we must do is we must define our validations. So I will be validating the CSS class and the name. So the CSS class and the name shouldn't be empty. So I will go here and create a validation folder that will be loaded automatically. So 1 second, guys. So I will do copy. I will paste. As you can see, guys, I've already created the validations. So I will just change the namespaces. So as you can see, for the product badge, I will be validating the property CSS class, which is not blank. Should it be blank? Should it be empty? And for the group Sylius. So as you can see, we've already passed the Sylius group to our form. So this validation rule will be applied, and also for the product translation shouldn't be blank, and the group should be Sylius. So perfect, guys. Let's keep going, guys. Yeah, perfect. So there is one more thing to do, and we should be set. And that's, guys, using the main menu builder. So I'll show you something, guys. So let's go to the main menu builder. So I'll better to show you on the web. So the idea is to add. The idea is actually to add. As you can see here, guys. So I just want to add a new menu point under configuration. Let's say we want to add it, as I've mentioned in the first at the start of the video, under let's say shipping category. So I'd like to add the product badges. So I will go, we'll check that later. So as you can see, guys, this is where the menu is being built. As you can see here, this is main builder event that is being dispatched. This is the event name. So we will listen on this event. So we'll be getting the menu, and then we will add the we will add our product badge menu. Perfect, guys. So let's keep going. So I will go here and create a new folder, event listener. One second, guys. Event listener, I'll do subfolder grid, and then let's do .php. Let's do something like this. I've already implemented this. So as you can see, guys, so we will be adding new child product badges. So I will be fixing my roots. So this is the roots that are defined. We can also add our delete root. Yeah, guys, so the idea is that with this root my menu will be highlighted, so like this. So as you can see, like this, for example. So when I go to, let's say, to product options, so when I go to product options, as you can see, my options is already highlighted. When I go to back, so this is, one second, guys, the cache was cleared, so it takes some time. So as you can see, guys, so options, this is my index. When I create, this will always be highlighted. That's the idea behind this route. So for me, I just need for create and update and index. Perfect. This is the label, so we'll need to set the translation for this. Let's do it directly. I'll go here and do something like this. So product badge. Perfect, guys. Everything going as planned. Let's go to my services. I will go there and create an event listener event. Let's call it listeners.xml, and that's where I will be listening on my event. As you can see, this is the method, and this is the event name. So let's go back to my main menu builder. As you can see, guys, this is the event name. So now if everything went correctly, I should be seeing here at the very end here, I should be seeing a new menu point product patches. So let's check it out. So let's see, we must of course forgot to add the event listener to my services XML. I must import them, guys. So now it should be working. So as you can see, guys, everything looks okay. Let's go to my product badges. Yeah, we must translate these. We'll translate them soon. As you can see, we have our search. Let's go to our create. So as you can see, guys, everything looks a little bit weird, and this we will fix all this with tweak hooks in the next episode, though, so that they look like our product options. So let me open that, so that they look like this, guys, so that they look like an accordions and really nice. So I will be doing that in the next episode, but let's take a look. We are not done yet. So under administrators came my product badges, but what if I want to put it under shipping categories? So as you can see, guys, Sylius is very flexible. You can like almost like change anything you want. So let's go back to our plugin. Let's go back to our main menu builder. So let's see where I'm adding my configuration. So configuration. So what I'm gonna do, guys, so there is a special function in this item interface. So this is the menu item called reorder children. So what I'm gonna do here, so I will be, so one second, new children. Yeah, perfect, guys. Exactly. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, so I'm gonna reorder everything. So here is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to my main menu builder. This is the configuration menu. So these are the children. So let's go to my event listener. Let me find it, guys. Add product batch to menu event listener. Let's do something like this, guys. Let's do configuration. I've added my child. Let me do something like configuration reorder children, and then let me put main menu builder. So perfect. So what's missing? Zones, currencies, exchange rates. So currencies, exchange locals. Let me keep looking. Locals, payment, shipping method, shipping tax category, tax rate, admin user. So under tax rates, so do I have tax categories included? I don't know, guys. Yeah, so it should be correct, guys. It should be correct. So I will move my product badge under my shipping category. So I've probably forgotten about that. So shipping categories. So let's hope for the best. I hope they are correct, guys. So this looks promising. So channel, countries, zones, exchange rates, locals. Yeah, this looks promising, guys. So let's refresh. So as you can see, guys, product page has moved to under shipping categories. And yeah, so guys, that's all you need. So in the next episode, we will do something very, very important. This is a new feature from Sylius, I think beginning from Sylius 2, and that's twig hooks. So we will use twig hooks and also Symfony live components to fix our form. So guys, actually this should be functional. So if I do limited coffee, for example, and I click on, let's say something like this, I click on create, then it will create it. So this is functional, but we will optimize that to look like the rest of the forms. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, if you have any questions, guys, like, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.